Lightning Detection System. Lightning strikes pose a serious threat to outdoor operations and essential infrastructure. Sudden electrical discharge can lead to equipment failure, safety risks, and costly operational downtime. Facilities include golf courses, commercial buildings, water treatment plants. What can we offer? The Strike Guard. Lightning Warning System provides reliable lightning risk mitigation with a self-powered sensor, lightning data receiver (LDR), and secure fiber optic link, ensuring continuous performance even in severe weather. Benefits of Strike Guard. Lightning detection. Minimizes downtime by providing early and accurate lightning warning. Protects personnel and assets by enabling timely preventive actions. Patented optical signal processing and proprietary optical coincidence technology reduce false alarms. Maintains functionality even in adverse weather conditions.